Hi, I'm Tori. I'm here today at Molyneaux with Allison. She's a design consultant here at the store. And Allison, tell us what we're looking at here behind us.
So we're looking at here some different wood options that we can personalize to your taste at your home, against your designs and your decor. The nice thing with us is we have tons of options for us to utilize at your house to see what works best in your setting.
Right. And as a design consultant, what does that mean? Do you kind of look at everyone's decor in their home and help them pick out the right flooring?
Absolutely, because not everybody's home is the same. Everybody has their different style and what they want. Some have a lot of variation. Some are more solid in their tones, and obviously, color is a big factor too. What would look get best, against your paint colors, your furniture, and everything else that goes in your home. So we want to find something that fits the best for your home.
Well, it looks like there's a lot of options here and tons of colors to choose from.
Absolutely. We typically can find something that fits everybody's needs.
So if someone wants to check out this collection, how can they get a hold of you?
They can call me directly. My phone number at 412-780-5867, and I can help you get in contact with the design consultant in your area that would work with the schedule that would be best fit them.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Allison.
Thank you.
For more videos from Molyneaux, check out our Facebook and YouTube page.